an S13.
Uh-oh, y'all. They having another car meet. Fuck it. I'm gonna get some more footage. You gonna do some more burnouts?
Ooh, that shit stink.
Uh-oh.
Look at that big ass, you saw that big ass monster truck?
Yeah, let me go get my footage. Post up here. Go get my...
Uh-oh, I hear the cops coming.
Alright, let me go get my footage, man. Hold on, y'all. What the fuck happened here? These niggas... What the hell going on out here? Yeah, y'all, these motherfuckers wildin'. These motherfuckers stumbled across a car meet, y'all. Came across a car meet. Police came and shut it down. They do not care, y'all. I'm out here tonight, man. Uh-oh. These niggas wildin', bro. Uh-oh. 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 They even got the ghetto bird. Nigga, they got the ghetto bird. Look at that. Look at that, bro. They got that ghetto bird. Damn. Look at that. They got the ghetto bird out here. They is not playing. I'm not doing nothing. Look at that. They got the ghetto bird out. Damn, y'all. Y'all hit that like button. Y'all hit that share button, y'all. I be getting all the footage at night. Come on.
You saw that?
Yeah, we ain't doing nothing. I'm an Uber driver. Shit.
I would have waited like, hi.
I'm doing Uber deliveries. They can't say shit. They can't say nothing. I'm doing Uber deliveries. What they going? Uh-oh. Somebody about to get a 30-day hold. Look at that. They can't say nothing. I just happen to be here. They are stupid. Wow. I'm an Uber driver, so I just happen to see this. Dang, they ain't even had to call the helicopter.
I wonder if the police got that car.
I doubt it.
No, the car that was driving fast, the white one.
Probably.
Yeah, I heard it. Did they got that smoke?
Oh yeah, somebody been burning rubber. Wow, so they had to call the ghetto bird out just for people hanging out and showing off their cars and everything. They had to call out the ghetto bird. I can't make this shit up. But if it was a robbery in progress, or these homeless niggas acting stupid, or anything like that, they will not show up. They will not show up right away. Regardless of if they was doing burnouts or not, you guys, still, it's like, come on now. Still. Look at that, man. Oh, they got somebody. They probably got somebody. Doing burn, yeah, taking off, huh? That's a 30-day hold. Damn. They can't tell me shit. I'm on the clock. Allegedly, I'm on the clock.
Oh, they leaving already.
I'm on the clock allegedly. I'm getting my money, so they can't say shit to me.
Already done so.
I swear. Oh, they coming back again? Whatever, y'all. Fuck it. This is what I see at nighttime, man. All y'all that be making fun of me about what I be doing and everything, I get all the action, I get all the activities, I see it all at nighttime. Straight up. Straight up, I see it all at nighttime, man. See, I better run this video up right now. And like I said, what the cops gonna tell me? I'm just minding my business. I'm on the clock. What they gonna say? Nothing. And I have my right to film in public. First Amendment, freedom of press, freedom of speech. Come on now. I know my rights. So yeah, y'all enjoy the rest of this video. Let's get it. Let's run it up. Look at her. Look at her. Look at her. She thinks she's slick. Check it out, y'all. We up here at the park. But anyway, back to what I was saying yesterday. A lot of y'all do be making fun of me about the things I be doing or whatever, but y'all see the benefits that come with it. I see it all. Police chases, takeovers, street racers, shootouts, fights, drunk people, all that. So y'all can go ahead and keep making fun of me all y'all want to. But at the end of the goddamn day, the ones who do be complaining, they still be watching. Hell, they still be liking it too, and being on some bipolar type of behavior. Just saying. But outside of that, more daddy duties today. Yeah, parent-teacher conference. Welcome to the club. All the parents and legal guardians know about that. Parent-teacher conference. All right, y'all, that's a wrap, man. Just got done doing... Oh, man. Dude, I hate when the fall and the winter comes. Here come all the random ass mild colds and shit, man. But, yeah. Just wrap that up real quick. And I think the issue with the truck and everything was me. I'm gonna take responsibility. I guess, I guess I was just bullshitting when I would put the key in and everything, and yeah, go figure. So other than that, y'all, the truck's running fine. It starts up fine. It's doing all that, y'all. But yeah, man. Yeah, I don't know why we came in 2 cars for it, but yeah, go figure. Fuck it. Y'all want to see both cars? Here's y'all chance. Yep, there go the car up there, y'all. Y'all been wanting to see it or whatever, so we got them out today. Why are you gonna stop for? Why are you gonna fucking stop for? Fuck, dude. Wanna brake check and shit, wanna do some dumb man. Yeah, anyway. But yeah, there go the car. Watch this. There y'all go. Yep. Yeah, there go the car. Now, the reason why I ended up coming in a truck, because I thought she was picking up some other kids and whatnot. So, you know, I ain't trying to deal with no commotion or a bunch of rowdy kids screaming and yelling. So, yeah, I like my peace and quiet in my truck, you guys. That's just me. Oh, man. But, yeah, we out here. We out here. Anyway, I'm about to park this big old wildebeest when I get home, and then I'll be driving the Nissan the rest of the day, y'all. Get my Friday started early. And look at this, look at this, look at this, look at her. Look at her. Oh. somebody SS Trailblazer broke down. Damn. I'll see you guys right after we get to the house. Yeah. Yeah, you think that shit... Yeah. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Dad, Mom said that you wasn't proud of the girls.
Hey.
Dad,
All part 2 in the front, huh?
Dad,
No,
Mom
you're
said-
fine.
Dad's mom
Look
said-
here, you guys. Anybody with common sense knows that she's not parked wrong. Anybody with common sense.
This lady don't know how to fucking drive.
Well, we got insurance, so hey. Shit, take a check real quick. Hell.
Dad, Mom said you wasn't shy of the girls.
Tell your mama to be quiet. Hey, you act like we ain't got no insurance and shit. Somebody hit it, hell, let them hit it. Huh?
Mom,
Yeah,
Mom, at PE, somebody was cutting down the
Well, you gonna leave her?
in a little bit.
Here.
And don't tear my truck up.